Hey, what's going on, YouTube? This is your girl and Simone. I'm coming up in here. Basically, I finally found my Judge Mathis series. Actually, when I saw the video, like I told y'all in the beginning, for those of my older subscribers, my new subscribers really don't know too much about it, but it was hilarious. I found it through this guy that has it on YouTube. I'm gonna have to get the link, and I would actually put it down there, you know, once I get it. But I was trying to ask him, how did he get my show? How did he get it? He has a 41-minute, he does all Judge Mathis shows, and I happened to come across it. So I found it about a week ago. Basically, I have not, I never put it up here. It was still up there. I saw it. I told my uncle and them about it, and, yeah. So, I'm going to try to get this caught on here. I don't know how to really just, you know, y'all, put it all up there like that. I'm going to put it up here. I'm going to put it on because I'm going to lower it to 28 minutes because it's 41-minute video, and that shit too long. It's about 3 cases in one, and I just want to drop this down here and let y'all see it. If y'all want further information, I can give y'all the link or let y'all know the dude's channel that is on. But anywho, I'm about to take y'all to this link of me, and like I told y'all 6-7 months ago before I went on there, and they just aired it in like March, that I didn't get to talk. I was the witness, so they let us know when you come in, don't interrupt the judge, don't do this, don't do that, which was cool. Shit, I ain't give a damn. But at the end of the day, I still appeared on the show. Got $12.50. My uncle did the case due to the fact, you know, insurance information, all that was in his name, but the car was mine specifically. So y'all check out this case. I mean, it might pause, I don't know. Y'all just check it out. And much love to y'all. Y'all enjoy y'all weekend. I'll be back. I don't know if I'm going to do nothing about no Mother's Day videos. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there if I don't get to come back on. Much love to y'all. Y'all enjoy and have a great day. But I might try to do something for my mama. Rest in peace videos and all that. But anyway, I ain't trying to come on here like that. But, you know, much love to the mothers, and hopefully y'all enjoyed it. So I'm quit babbling. Y'all check it out. I'm gonna try to do this without all this fucking ridiculous pausing. So hold on, y'all. Hold on. See if I can get this going. This is half of the case, but this is somebody else, so I'm gonna move it up.
From his other child's mom, who's became my best friend.
Let's move this up.
We have a mutual problem. For lack of better term.
He's problematic to her as well.
Let's get to my case.
Behind with her.
And how much with you?
Like 56.26.
You have interviewed your daughter, and your daughter said no. So I'm going to grant your judgment for emotional distress.
Now, our case is coming up on 28 minutes, y'all. So check it out.
My daughter and I are going to have a lot of long talks about exactly what she's seen. We are pursuing it in family court. He's still a drug addict, and it's just a matter of time before he gets caught up. He's still drinking and driving. He's still doing this thing.
Oops.
I drive a cab in Gary, Indiana. I rely on my license. I don't drink and drive. And you better talk to her. That way she knows what story to give the CPS people the next time you take her in.
The CPS.
Get your story right.
Won't have to worry about it.
Good game. Did a good job today. Good game.
Next case is us. My uncle.
Plaintiff Randall Moore has been neighbors with the defendant's family for over 50 years, and they always look out for each other. Randall's suing because the defendant crashed into a utility pole, which caused another pole to fall onto Randall's car and destroy it. Defendant Arthur Young says he's a 21-year-old, easygoing guy, and he has always had the utmost respect for Randall and his family. Arthur insists this situation could have been handled in a civil manner, but Randall's niece, who's with Randall in court, turned it into a nightmare.
I turned into him.
Our family's been neighbors in the same neighborhood for over 50 years, and we have a long-term relationship that's excellent.
50 or 15?
50,
Okay.
in which my mother and his grandmother went to school together.
Okay.
So that made the community more tight-knit. We all watch out for each other. So as the progress went along, through my years, I ended up adopting 8 sons, eight as a single parent. And the reason being that is because I didn't want any of the boys growing up in the juvenile justice system without a last name to have self-identification. Plus, I wanted them to get it together to give back to the community. Now, I'm not saying that I had a perfect past, because I didn't. In fact, I went to prison. While I was there, believe it or not, I sat there and twirled things around in my head and wrote a book, in which I got a copy here for you.
Let's see it, please. What is it called?
It's called I Might As Well Tell It.
What does it entail?
Even though you fall down, pick yourself up and keep
Do
moving.
you say that in here?
Yes.
Do you give any inspirational advice?
Yes.
Like what? Don't have me promote. Don't come on my show promoting
Get the
something.
education.
All you're doing is glorifying your
My
past.
uncle.
There's more Judge Mathis after this.
I am a trustee at my church. Wesley Chapel Missionary Baptist Church. I also play drums at my
You
church.
don't go off.
No.
Sunday, every single
Well,
Sunday.
every Christian that I know to come in here, they so proud. I go to so-and-so and so-and-so, but Pastor so-and-so and so-and-so is the pastor. You better mention his name, but you're not going to be able to come back. Defendant Arthur Young is being sued by his neighbor, who claims Arthur hit a pole, which caused another pole to fall onto the plaintiff's car and destroy it. You know, I did a biography and gave a lot of insight into my past, but the crux of it was instructional on how single mothers could raise boys by themselves and the pitfalls to look out for, and how I overcame, and thereby inspiring people, not just glorifying. Okay, you inspire.
Yes.
All right. Inner City Miracle, by the way, folks, is the name of the book. Inner City Miracle.
My uncle talking about his book.
Well, tell it.
That's why I get to talk, y'all.
So you wrote that to be inspirational, to tell young people the pitfalls to avoid.
Exactly. Simply because it's not cracked up to be what they think. When they don't listen to their parents and go into the judicial system, it is not easy. And when you come out, it is even harder to try to get justification with a job because you got that mark and it's not going to help you. Which brings us back to this story. Being that I am an advocate and a strong community analyst working with young people, I like this young man here, and it behooves me to stand here before you today to sue him because of this incident which he brought upon both families.
Okay, we're going to get into the lawsuit about the car, but let me ask you about the 8 boys. How old are they?
The youngest one is now, he'll be 25 on the 14th of September. The oldest one would be 46,
Okay.
December the 14th.
They're doing all right?
They're fine.
Good.
They're fine.
Excellent. Yeah, you deserve a hats off. Where you live?
In Detroit, by the way.
Okay.
East side.
Detroit.
Yes, sir. East side. And I might
part of town,
tell me. But I would like to illustrate something to you. We have a history, you and I.
Just the babbling, y'all. Listen.
Deal with me?
No. University because that's where I graduated from to get my degree in family life education. I did my internship at the Northwest Activity Center with Ken Patterson.
Oh, that's my man.
Yes,
God
you
bless
were
his
there
soul.
during the time before you became a judge and was practicing law. You were getting it all together, and I watched you from here to here to here to here to where you are now. That proved to be another inspiration to me to get that book right.
Well, I could be of a little inspiration from the outside. All right, and sir, you tell me about your background.
Well, I'm 21 years old. I currently attend school at ITT Technical Institute for drafting and design.
Good.
I am a trustee at my church. Wesley Chapel Missionary Baptist Church.
Okay.
I also play drums on my
You
church.
don't go off.
I go every Sunday, every single Sunday.
Well, every Christian that I know to come in here, they're so proud of it. I go to so-and-so and so-and-so, but Pastor so-and-so and so-and-so is the pastor, and so-and-so.
Right.
Talk about their pastor. You better mention his name, but you're not going to be able to come back. I'm telling you now, you know about these pastors. They think a lot of
Hilarious.
They think a lot of themselves, and they want everybody else to know about them. Go ahead.
Well, my pastor, his name is Pastor Dotson, Glover L. Dotson Jr.
You miss titles. They usually have about 3-4 titles.
No. This pastor right here, he's strictly about
Bishop
the word.
so-and-so of the 7th District, PhD of Education, and so-and-so.
No.
Reverend Doctor, so-and-so, prelate of the 13th
Right.
District of so-and-so.
Kick leg to the side.
So it's not all of that?
He's educated. He's well educated. He has a job, a day job.
Does he have his PhD?
He don't know. He looking at his mama.
He
He don't call himself
All
doctor.
right, because a lot of pastors do. But that's fine. I'd rather call him Dr. So-and-so than to call him, what's up, dog? You say, what's up, doc? I'd rather say, what's up,
Right.
dog? So go right ahead. I'm glad to hear you in church and you're participating. That's a great thing. That's probably why at age 21 you're at ITT instead of out there getting in trouble. We're proud of
Yes,
you.
sir.
Right. Make sure you say that.
Stay tuned. The case
Look at
continues
me.
after this.
So I jumped up, got the cell phone, called 911, told the police what happened, ran downstairs. I'm not even sure if I was in clothes or not, but I ran downstairs.
Lord.
Chinese pajamas. Might have been silk pajamas or something. Either or, I got downstairs waiting for the
You
cops.
might have been in some Chinese underwear.
Defendant Arthur Young is being sued by his neighbor, who claims Arthur hit a pole, which caused another pole to fall onto the plaintiff's car.
Oh my God.
So what else you want me to know about you?
Like, I'm a nice runner. I'm a nice guy. I'm just a guy that, try to bring the best out of, how my mom raised me. And she raised me to be good, to be respectful to elders, not to get in trouble, if I'm not either at school or at work or, my friends or my girlfriend's house, I'm at home. I'm not at clubs, partying and doing all this stuff.
You go to Wednesday night prayer service?
Bible study.
All right, so Bible study. So you stay out of trouble that night for sure. All right, good enough. Glad to hear that. What are you suing him about? The value of a car. How so?
Okay, Your Honor, on the night of March the 29th, I was in bed about 4:30 a.m., heard a loud crash, jumped out of bed, pulled the curtain back, and looked down to my right to the neighbor's house.
Clutch.
I saw their Cadillac parked on the left side of the street with a utility pole lying right across the hood of it. And I said, oh my God, somebody hit the car, because we're always having people flying up and down that street all types of day and night. So I followed the wires to the light pole in front of the other house, which of course came across the street to my pole and pulled that pole down on top of my vehicle and totaled it, where it looked like a smashed hot dog bun waiting for a hot dog.
A hot dog.
It was just that bad. So I jumped up, got the cell phone, called 911, told the police what happened, ran downstairs. I'm not even sure if I was in clothes or not, but I ran downstairs. I think I was in some Chinese pajamas. It might have been silk pajamas or something. Either or, I got downstairs waiting for the
You
cops.
might have been in some Chinese underwear.
Yeah. You can see me laughing. They all in the background.
Chinese pajamas.
Right, or
Okay.
something.
But why they have to be Chinese?
Because that's
Right.
Go ahead.
I had to call DTE Energy to file a claim. They said, you have to go after him since he hit the pole, and then if it's us, we'll have to go after him to fix the pole. That's where we are, and it's a mess, and nothing's been resolved.
Okay. All right, sir. What do you want to tell me about this?
Well,
Here I
I'd like to
come,
first
y'all.
start off by saying, you know, I've always had the utmost respect for Randall and his family. It's just, you know, the whole situation could have went easy, you know, but his niece just turned the whole situation into a nightmare.
What does she have to do with it?
She came out, you know, screaming, cussing.
After?
Yeah, after the pole had fell on the
Come
curb.
out smiling?
She, it's not that I didn't expect her to come out smiling or nothing like that. I mean, but she just came out, you know, this is like she was ready to attack. That's what I'm saying. And you know, I didn't know all this stuff. I came back outside because I went outside to get my camera phone, you know, to take pictures of everything that happened. I come outside because I hear it. Come outside. And my mom tried to tell me, yo, just, you know, it's okay, it was an accident, you know, and she's just going on. So I tell my mom to back away, you know, and then it just snowballed from there. It snowballed.
Okay, so do you think you're responsible? If not, why?
I don't think I'm responsible because, basically, it was an accident, and, you know, and also the pole, I think it was, you know, it wasn't my fault. No,
Got in your way.
Yeah, no, I mean, like, how fast could you be pulling out the pulling on backwards? How fast could you be pulling out the driveway to hit a pole for the pole to come down?
Did you hit the pole? Let's start there.
Yeah, I grazed the pole. I rubbed against it. I didn't really hit it.
So grazing the pole caused it to fall.
It was just the old pole, you know, was rotted out. You know, his pole was rotted out too. I got pictures and everything of the pole.
Judge Mathis will be right back. Defendant Arthur Young is being sued by his neighbor, who claims Arthur hit a pole, which caused another pole to fall onto the plaintiff's car and destroy it. So your defense is what? That it was rotted?
Yeah, it was rotted. The pole was leaning before him.
Before we get to that part,
Yes, sir.
if you make a mistake that you should have avoided because you have a duty of avoiding hitting a pole or a tree. So when you have a duty of care and you violate that duty of care or deviate from it, that's called negligence. And you're always responsible for negligence. Now, your defense in terms of it coming down easily is that it was rotted.
Yeah, it was rotted, and plus the street light, you know, on that night, it was out.
So it was, okay, so you're saying because you couldn't see.
Yeah, I couldn't see the pole.
You didn't have your lights on?
Yeah, my lights was on, but I still couldn't see the pole. You know, the pole was like on the side, you know, this is a big old Suburban truck.
Show me the part where you say it's rotted. I don't see it. Because you may have a decent partial liability case.
My uncle looking like, what the
Because
fuck?
they didn't maintain it properly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and so you're saying, all right, this is the base of the pole, which the wood does look rotted.
Yeah, it was very rotted.
And, sir, what do you say to that? Because it appears to me he would only be half responsible.
Right, but nobody knew if it was rotted or not because the pole's been sitting up there. And the only way we
Look at here. Did he show you?
No, I haven't seen no.
All right. And there's another one.
And then when I spoke to the city, they said it wasn't their pole.
Of course they're going to tell you that.
And then when I called,
It's cash strapped as we are in Detroit. You think they're going to say, oh, yeah.
Exactly.
right, so by the same token, when I called AT&T, they told me that I still have to get to him in order for him to pay me, and they'll take care of him.
I'm going to conclude he's partially responsible, and then you have to sue in small claims court. Go to small claims court and sue everybody.
Right.
Since they're playing these games, that's how most lawsuits go anyhow. I'm going to grant you half the judgment, $12.50.
12 fucking 50.
Small claims in
Should have been
Detroit,
2,500.
where I used to serve as a judge. Go there and tell them you're my friend, and they'll give you a good, just kidding. Judgment for the player.
The family's gonna always stay attached. We're still friends. Nothing deviates from that. I love him like my son. I'm crazy about his mother, and he is absolutely right. She and her husband raised him to be the best kid in that neighborhood. I swear it.
I'm glad that, you know, this
know what? You know what? Here I go. Here I go. A bunch of bullshit. You know, DTE, ain't none of them motherfuckers came and said shit about this poll. My thing was, if I got to talk, first of all, if he was paying the damn attention, not being funny, I feel, like I said, I had no problem with the family, none of them. But if y'all was looking at actually what you was doing at 4 o'clock in the morning, waking him up out his sleep to move this damn car. I still would have had my damn car. Mom got the judgment, $12.50. He got to sue DTE, AT&T, and whoever in the fuck else. Whoever. But it is what it is. I was on there, like I told y'all. Got half partial judgment. My fucking van costed me $2,500 at an auction. And on top of it, it would have been more than that. Actually, it was bidded up to $4,000. I got it for $2,500. I had it for 5 years. Nah, gotta find out about the fucking light company, gas company, whoever else was entitled about these damn polls. But I felt like if Judge Mathis really still looked at it, if he was paying attention what the hell he was doing, who cares if it was right or not? $2,500. That would have been me. But with that being said, y'all, I told y'all they was going to air it. It took them almost a year to do it. So, it is what it is. For my older subscribers that knew when I told y'all about the Judge Mathis trip, I will add the link to this video. Y'all check it out. And that's what it is. Nina Simone, happy Mother's Day to all my mothers out there. If I don't make no video, because I was kind of depressed. I was sad about my moms. But anyway, that's a whole nother video. But with that being said, I'm up out of here. Much love. Peace. Check out that case if y'all want to see it. I'll try to get the link. It's on YouTube. Y'all check it out. Judge Mathis, season 14, episode 90. And I'm out. Peace.